Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this Aristocrat Ranger Trolley Bag, which is of small size, small cabin size, 55 centimeters. See here, my initial impression when I look at this is looking semi-premium. This got good looks, decent looks, and very handy also. I just try to lift this once to check the weight, and this is looking pretty lightweight. This Aristocrat VIP Aristocrat, see here, when I just try to pull this out, it is looking pretty lightweight, and this rubber sort of straps just besides either side of the zip are looking somewhat good filled, and it is just adding somewhat beauty looks to this, and also a nice border. This yellow rubber straps for this Aristocrat Ranger Trolley Bag. And coming to the material, this is polypropylene, and not this is not looking like hard sided trolley bag. I felt like medium size trolley, medium hard. I mean to say medium hard. And coming to the wheels, this got four wheels, and taking this out with the luggage or carrying this with the luggage is comfort, because yes, 360-degree rotation is okay for me. And I tried to search for the same in the online, but I couldn't find the exact size actually. This Aristocrat Ranger from VIP, which is of 55 centimeters, maybe there may not be any availability or nothing like that. This got 3-digit lock system, and these are also handles are also looking premium. Just I want to show you yeah, now we can check the online details of the product, but remember, this is medium size Aristocrat chicken suitcase. See here, 65 centimeters, and that too, it comes with 8 wheels. So you need to just remember this is not the exact trolley bag what I have shown you, but please do comment whoever already using the small cabin size Aristocrat Ranger trolley, and please share your opinions and overview in the comments, because those who want to buy, and it will be helpful for me also. Anyway, this is looking very similar, so that's why I'm showing you, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.